Hey guys, Brianna here, and I wanted to briefly talk to you about our leather care kit. So, our leather care kit comes with three wonderful items, and the first one is our leather balm. It is made with natural ingredients and it's vegan and it hasn't been tested on any animals, so a woo for that. The next thing is our natural sea sponge. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's made with natural materials and it's used to apply the leather balm for a smooth application all throughout your garments. And lastly, we have the lint-free bamboo cloth, which is as soft as it looks, like it feels like cotton in my hand. Um, it feels really good and it's great for buffing your leather. So these three things come in your leather care kit and will help take your leather to the next level. So the reason why our leather care kit is like perfect for your garments is because it doesn't just cover and protect one specific garment. You can use it on your wallets, you can use it on a leather belt, you can use it on a leather purse. Anything that's leather, you can use this kit on, and that's what I love about it. Additionally, it protects your leather from like pollution and dirt and things like that, and water damage as well. So that's important, especially if you're going to spend like hundreds of dollars. You're going to want to keep your stuff protected. But my most favorite thing about this kit is that it makes your leather items last. And I'm not talking like 5 years, I'm talking like 10 to 100 years. Yes, 100 years, like 100. Okay. So I literally gave you the cheat sheet in the description, in the product description, so that you'll know how much you'll need to apply, whether that's once a year or twice a year, depending on how much you wear your leather. Now, here's a little bonus tip for you. You can use this product. I'm going to show it again because I'm just proud of it. Yeah, you see this? You can use this product on faux leather. However, it will not work on all faux leather. It depends on what that faux leather is made of. So use it as your own discretion. But what it will do to the faux leather is not only will it rejuvenate it and give it a polished feel and a nice smell, but it will actually help it to last longer, as you probably would have guessed. Another and last great thing about this leather care kit is that it is the perfect gift. I'm talking about for older people. I'm talking about the ones that say, well, I don't want anything, this, and that. Okay, cool. A leather care kit is what you need though, because they typically have a lot of clothes and they need to care for those clothes, especially, if they're not going to accumulate more. So it's a great gift for them. It's also a great gift for dads because many times we want to buy them tools because we think that's what they want. Like they're men, they're like macho or whatever. No, switch up the game. Gift him a leather care kit, okay? Like, surprise it. He's not going to expect it. Okay. And men like to take care of their things, whether that's their cars, their clothes, they're all about that. So I'm telling you, he's gonna be happy with the leather care kit. If you're a dad, give yourself with the leather care kit, okay? Because you deserve it. You're a rock star dad and you need this in your life. Okay. I know I said that was my last point, but I do want to mention that although this is a small container, as you can see, a little goes a long way with our products. So this little container right here is going to last you a while. So don't fret about that. Nevertheless, add to your cart, increase the life of your leather, and enjoy the like rich, nice smell. Like I don't know, it's like a fresh new smell that it gives off. I think you'll like it. But yeah, add the leather care kit to cart. And I am Breyana Wright of Style by Breyana, and I had so much fun explaining this product to you. Bye.